In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Squarespace template. Whether you're rebranding your website or just feel like it's time for a fresh look, switching up your template can be a great way to give your site a new feel. Let's go through this process step by step to make it as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Squarespace homepage. Once you're there, you'll see your dashboard in front of you. It's the central hub of everything you'll need to access during this process. From the dashboard, look for the Website section. Give that a click, and it should direct you to a page where you can manage numerous aspects of your website. Next, locate the Styles option. Clicking on Styles will bring you to a diverse range of design choices you can make for your site. It's like having a big box of crayons where you get to pick out the colors for your site. It's time to embrace your inner designer. Once you've clicked into Styles, the next stop is the Themes section. This is a pivotal part of customizing your website. In the Themes section, you'll find different templates that you can preview and choose from. Each theme offers a unique layout and feel, so take your time to preview a few and see what best fits your brand's personality. After you've had a good look at the themes, it's time to move on to fonts. Click on Fonts from the same Styles menu. Fonts play a crucial role in setting the tone of your website. Whether you want something fun and whimsical or sleek and professional, you'll find a range of font options to choose from. Dive into the font selections and consider how each one complements the other elements of your site. Once you've picked out a font that resonates with your style, head over to the Colors section. Click on Colors to explore the palette options. Each palette can drastically transform the aesthetics of your site, making it more inviting or more polished depending on your choice. Consider what mood or message you want your colors to convey and select accordingly. Remember, you can often preview these changes before committing to them. Changing your Squarespace template isn't just about a new look. It's about communicating your brand's message effectively and ensuring that visitors have the best experience possible when they land on your site. With this step-by-step guide, you'll be well on your way to creating a stunning website that reflects who you are and what you offer. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any questions or require further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy designing.